Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 GMC Terrain SLT, stock number B8778A. 80,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, quick silver metallic in color. After our rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program. Give you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. The Terrain's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Trailer hitch, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover, as well as additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode, lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. That's where that backup camera display is. And power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and a city average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. And don't forget about that certified warranty protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 8778A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.